Have you ever wondered how your Facebook friends have added notes to their Messenger account? Now, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Let's go. First of all, we have to make sure our Messenger app is up to date. To do that, let's go to Play Store and then search for Messenger. And then here we will either see an update or open button. Now, as we see in my case, we have the open button. Now, if you have an update button, tap on update and then wait for the update to be done. And then tap open. To add a note, tap the plus button right beside your profile picture. And then here we see we can add a note. We can write any thoughts we have in mind as long as it's 60 characters. And this will be visible to our Facebook friends and followers. Now let's add in our note. Then tap share. There, we see our note has been added and this will be visible for 24 hours. Now, if we like, we can change or leave a new note. To do that, just tap in the note that we just added and then select leave a new note. Then let's type in our new note. Then tap share. There you go, our new note is added. Now, if we want to delete the note, tap the note and then select delete note. Then voila, note has been deleted. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!